Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of updown.io action automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account install, next refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which has all the information about the application. Next is the tutorials tab, where you can find resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up the application. To do that, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your updown.io account online and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Superpowered API Key. Next, copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. As you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made simply by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.